Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 26th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So another good push up today, nice little 61% fib bounce, perfect break of structure, and it definitely was 1, 2, 3 ways down, so a very good ABC correction. The only problem for me was that this little engulfing move to the upside, which for me would have been the entry to go long, happened at about 2 or 3 o'clock a.m. in the morning, so definitely wasn't a trade that I was able to participate in because I definitely was sleeping at that time, but another very good trade for trend traders. I mean, if you've been watching my videos, you do know that I've been telling everybody to get long every single pullback, and there's definitely been some really good trend trade entries over the last several weeks. Still no signs of this being over on the higher time frames, so I would for sure still be looking to go long on pullbacks. So we do have a couple things to look out for on the news calendar. Tonight is the JPY CPI. Inflation data is coming out for Japan tonight, which is predicted to be down. Unfortunately, this is at 12:30 in the morning, so I definitely will not be participating in that. But we do have GDP for the CAD tomorrow, and we do have PCE price index for the US. So definitely a couple things to look out for at the end of the week. Hopefully we can end the week on a really good high note. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.